We're at the IHop for breakfast this morning, aren't we? Yeah. And what are you getting? Don't know what it's called. New York cheesecake pancakes. That's it. And I'm getting bacon, eggs, hash brown and toast. And we've got chocolate milk. We're at Blizzard Beach. Probably can't see a thing. We ain't gonna bother because I've only got this and that'll go with it. Done, let's get that back in the background. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? It's called Buttons.
Another spaceship was at 7. Yes.
I do 4 or 7.
Well,
No harmony before. Spaceship Earth. We're going on Spaceship Earth. That's better now. I'm watching my children. There she is.
It also brings the concession to great civilization. Sophia and Lee. Explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else.
Take 1 small step for man.
Our spaceship Earth. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we?
To the future, or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. NDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-premium network family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today.
What's that? Oh, bitch.
Vacation destinations, you can dive right in to the future. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
That was me and Lucy. We have ice cream sandwiches and Coca-Cola, and you've got Sprite, and Lucy said it's rock solid. Here's a Mickey. Lucy's not eating enough. You're gonna walk right into my camera, aren't you? Oh. What's this? Feet are looking at hell, isn't it? Oh, okay. What's those like? Jellyfish!
And the next one. We're not helping.
Breathe.
Yeah, he's back down.
Come back down.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it looks like it's screwing. He just drops. Oh!
His hot stand.
I can't sell.
That guy's cool. Look at those, Skinny. They're upside down.
2 to 5 weeks later, only 5 weeks pregnancy, is it off? Lucy's just spotted this hidden Mickey. Never even knew they had dolphins. Dwarf catfish. Probably dwarf. That one comes in alright.
Let's see what it says. Let's see what the sign.
Oh, there's Nemo.
As we learn more about these crops, we discover that many are rich in vitamins and thrives in the poorest soil conditions of Africa. With its edible seeds and leaves, the pumpkin could become in Mexico or Central America, but is already becoming popular in Asia. It could become a source of important nutrients for people living in many areas. Other lesser-known crops may one day be as popular as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 20 part of our efforts to produce a bountiful harvest and grow about 5,000 pounds of fish. Nutrients are in short supply. The result of these efforts is higher yields with less impact. These plants are definitely on their way up. Controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year by Chinese scientists. Tomato trees live longer. Much of the produce you see growing in our greenhouses is served in the restaurants here at the land.
Yes, they're the brownies I was on about. Upward waterfall. Imagination.
Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So, what do you think? Neat?
More than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
Of course. Imagination is just turning.
Dream come true. It's just that spark from me and you. Imagination.
Of inspiration.
We're in Club Cool and you have mixed flavours. I've got Fanta Melon Frosty. Let's see what I think. Raspberry cream soda. We're going to Ellen's Energy Adventure. We've got a lot of here. You see it? No. It's over there. Over there somewhere. We're in the Liberty Inn in Epcot eating steak, broccoli and chips and chocolate milk. Yeah, there he is.